I don't know.
Oh, it's your turn to ask the question.
Yeah. Have you and my cousin ever did anything? You and Vincent?
Hell nah.
Who, me?
Answer the damn question. They like, J-Bo, why you smoking so much? Because all the shit that I feel. I've been moving real slow, pouring these foes. Yeah, I've been popping these seals. Yeah, I had some people.
Any one of y'all? Y'all asked me the same time.
We both look like
I just asked a question.
no.
Hey, I knew the answer to that.
I just threw it out there. She
You always with me and you looking like you looking at me. What you saying, Ned?
Yeah.
We know him too well. We know him too well. He's our best friend. We know him too well.
Okay.
I'm gonna say that 2 more times. We know him too well. We know him too well. We like family. Okay. Cricket. Hey, fuck up, man. He need help. You fucked up. Ma'am, it's him. Don't call me.
What y'all talking about, bro?
Peanut.
Oh shit. What I been like? Oh fuck. Yeah. I got a question for you. So Vincent Billings is your cousin? Blood.
You said Vincent.
Y'all blood.
He is Billy.
Y'all blood cousins. Why y'all so different?
What do you mean?
You like a rapper, you content or some shit like that.
She might be content. I rap too.
Spit him right now.
Be the same, I'm always be the same. I can never change. I can never change. We about to run up some money and fuck up some comments and run up some money. We about to run up some money and fuck up some comments and run up some money. Yeah. Got your homie, she loving me. She touching me, she rubbing me. I'm fucking her, she.
Morning haircut, man.
And you see this right here, don't even like it's being home.
I'm getting it cut Friday. Probably tomorrow.
No, we already cut it was balding.
Whole time, how much money your brother steal from me? That's what I want to ask. That's what I want to ask.
Nah, you probably say we the one.
I just gonna miss
So why did you get fired?
today. I told you.
But why?
I walked off the floor and got on the phone and went outside to my car.
How long you was out there?
30 minutes. Talking to a financial institution.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
I would have fired you. So was they looking for you? You don't know.
Somebody
You was
snitched.
outside.
That's what they
Say
say.
look at the time, make
But
sure
they
it's still
claimed that you
going.
don't never do it anyway.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure they was already planning to fire you.
Who claimed that?
Some people.
How you know?
I was on the phone with Nisha one day.
And somebody said,
He was like, Nisha, yo, your boy. The black dude.
he said, I don't know, you know.
He said you'll be on the phone.
Oh, okay.
Like your girl insecure.
Nah, hell, I don't even do that.
So.
He just go, yeah.
Oh my God. Y'all are so out of turns. I thought we was going like.
Nisha just asked me why did I get fired. And I did get fired today.
Oh, I got a question.
But still in time. You just go, Nisha.
Okay.
Yeah, just go. This your last one. This your
Why?
last one.
No. Nisha had 3.
No, she only had 1. I said 1, period.
No, I haven't had Nisha.
Did you pass? Did you pass?
No.
I answer your question. Cause he got some deep shit for your ass. So. You can't pass this.
That time we was camping. Why your dick didn't get on hard?
Damn!
She looked up because she said, what?
You got questions for me?
Why? So I think I went over this with you since you're trying to buzz me out.
Right. We put up with stuff and you ask me questions over.
The reason why I couldn't get an erection, I performed like a motherfucker. After you were gone. Okay, so
he said he performed like a motherfucker after you was gone.
So that meant Nisha was the problem. I'm just playing. It was like 17 motherfuckers in one tent. Picture how close they were, and they were cheering me on. Get it on hard. Get it on hard.
And you just wait till tonight.
What's gonna happen tonight?
You'll see.
You can do it! You can do it all night long!
I'm like, you can't just make a dick hop up. It's like, you know what I'm doing?
Yeah.
It's about 3 niggas and 3 bitches in them motherfuckers.
Like, do it.
Get it.
Here's some porn.
And the whole time, a girl was sucking my dick and I'm watching porn. Like, at the same time. And I'm still, like, limp as hell. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, like, so many people. Like, it was just a lot of people in there.
I get mad. Shy and mad.
No, I was
She
never
fucked
shy.
up in the head.
I wasn't shy at all. It's your girl, bro. Not, yeah, it's your girl. What's your question you had for somebody?
When you and Darion was together, was you using him?
Ooh!
Are you sure?
Use him for what?
You sure for what he had?
Like, you thought money, sex,
Nah, I
drugs,
didn't say money.
drugs.
Like what?
Money? I just said money.
What type of money?
I don't know. I'm asking you the question. You trying to throw it
Like,
back on me?
he really said, he's
What
saying,
you
did
using
you get with Darion because he had money he can spoil
Because you
and all
didn't
that
look his way in high school.
shit?
It
Yeah.
was high school.
Okay, so what happened from high school to?
I think his pockets got big.
Why they say use?
I'm saying,
No, you just give people a chance.
That's
And,
not-
and Darion's
that's-
family always had money.
Okay.
Always. They was always dressed good in school. Always.
so his question, like, did you use him for his money?
He had
You
none
just
of
like-
it.
Okay.
No. We had
So you
always-
changed that life.
Oh, what the fuck did baby mean?
Oh God, that's extra money. That's extra money.
Where's the extra money?
What? And he taking care of baby. He
See,
doing
he not on
good.
child support though. So.
I ain't saying child support. Who need child support?
Right.
That's my question, because I got some fun ass with her right saying that.
She trying her best to be the innocent, holding her down.
I'm glad y'all don't know shit about me like that.
I can't wait till this camera cut
I
out.
don't. The thing is, I'm not gonna talk to a dude who don't have money, for the simple fact because I can take care of myself. Before I had got Darion, I had my own car.
What kind of car though? What kind of car?
What year was that?
A Nissan?
No, I had a Mustang.
No, hell no. You didn't have a Mustang. You had a Malibu.
No, I had my
But when you
Mustang.
got with Darion, you got a Mustang.
No, call Darion and ask
She got that
him.
Mustang.
And say,
You got
Darion, what kind of car? And ask him. I'm gonna say, baby, what kind of car did I have when we got together? When we got, call him, and he gonna say, you had your Mustang.
The red Mustang.
My red Mustang.
How much did he put down on it?
Hell nah, you got that Mustang after.
Oh, that's right, I know.
How you gonna tell me?
No, I'm not saying he
I
helped
got
you
the
get
same year. I got my car first. She got hers after. It was after Darion.
Well, like a week later.
I mean, it was. She got with Darion when she already had that car.
Yeah.
Nah, cause I got my car in February of the year. She got hers like in April.
I ain't saying that you didn't have.
I'm
you
saying
couldn't get it.
that. I'm saying
Y'all always had shit. I ain't saying that. I didn't say y'all. He helped you. Got
Who
caught.
knows?
I will only date a man that can match my pockets or a little bit. I'm not gonna date a man that's under my pockets. Never will. I ever.
So if
I like expensive shit. He knows that. If I want him to cash out me $300 right now, he knows that I want it, and I'm gonna have attitude if I don't. And I don't want no dude if I have an attitude. I don't want no dude who can't do that.
So you saying
Because
that
I can do that for
if
him.
you was the manager at McDonald's, you wouldn't fuck with the assistant manager because he don't make what you make.
I'm not gonna work at McDonald's.
What you saying though?
I'm not gonna work at McDonald's.
I just might go cook. You make her taste the hot sauce.
Alright.
But I got my next question for Nisha. Alright, so Nisha, who was in the house popped up and broke in?
Breaking.
Who was in the house? Who you was fucking with? Who you was fucking in?
Nope, I wasn't missing when I got it.
I'm saying, who was in your bed snuck in and stood up? Go ahead.
He didn't break in. It stood over my head.
You know the situation I'm talking about, so
You asking
explain.
the wrong question.
You guess
Explain that question then.
That situation.
Yeah, explain the
My
situation.
baby daddy was over there.
And then what?
You editing this right?
No, yeah, he edited, bro.
You saying people names.
Put name, yeah, put.
Keep names in the motherfucker.
Nah, because we don't want people names really.
I can read.
So I can say, no more. You just got me. I keep going.
I can read it out.
I just want to chill
You
with my
finna go back.
baby
You
daddy.
finna go to your mama house when you leave here.
Yeah.
I go to your mama house with you when you get.
I'm going too, goddamn. I'm gonna keep this shit right here in there.
No, you don't. I ain't saying it then.
Please, go.
I'm on.
I ain't gonna say
Hell
that.
like
I
on
ain't
that.
talking
Keep it in
about
there.
This gotta come out.
So what
Check
happened?
this out. To cover up this
I want to chill with my baby daddy. He came over there. Time just flew by, and dude was coming. And when he got there, I told him back there to hide.
Can you get to this?
I expect it.
He hid in the closet.
That's some OJ shit. I hate that.
But keep the dude come in. He knew the nigga caught right
He
there.
did come in. He definitely came in.
Yeah.
And look, he looked.
I thought he hid behind the
He
garbage
searched through
can.
the house.
That was another time.
That's OG shit.
That was.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Hey, that was in my goal.
Nisha just asked me why am I with Tasha?
Alright.
Please get deep with me.
Where is Peyton?
I mean, with mom.
Get a little more details about it. Because we ain't saying them yet.
Talk about him no more.
Right. No more pictures on Snapchat.
Why he with his mom?
You probably said why you
Yeah, because.
That's not the question. He said, where's it?
KJ, come
Let's
on.
get personal. It's your go, bro.
Why you can't see your child?
Why I can't see him? Cause my baby mama had a girl who I had a child with, or I really don't know if he mind because she told me
You're not my dad! You also want to hear something? Ugly ass fucking.
he not mine. She her first baby daddy, but it's a big resemblance between me and him. So, it's my
So
son.
was you feeding the baby?
I
Was
guess.
she was pregnant?
Yeah.
Okay, so the baby probably like you.
Feeding her? What you mean feeding her?
Fucking ain't nothing inside of her.
Well,
Having sex with her, having intercourse
I don't
with her.
know.
What
Was
you
she
mean?
pregnant?
It might not be his because of it.
When you having sex with a female and just
You talking like the
having
semen
sex-
gonna make the features
Yeah,
of the baby. That's what I'm saying.
You're feeding the baby to
Yeah.
look like you, but it's not true.
Hmm.
and the baby come out looking like you.
So we got sperm in our faces. Weird.
I ain't gonna
And she finna have to go to work. Might well just try the house out.
Everybody try the hot sauce together.
Alright, we can do it.
Are we all lost? Nobody.
No, we won.
Well, we all gotta eat the hot sauce together, girl. Give me a piece of that one.
Piece of what?
That pizza, thank you. I trust your
I
hand.
still got this question I want to ask you.
Hey, if you ask me a question, I ain't gotta eat it. Y'all gonna eat it. What is it?
Yeah, nah, I want her to eat, bro. Don't ask her the question.
So, like, ask the question if you don't answer the question.
If I answer the question,
Oh, okay, cool.
because I really don't want to eat this out of that shit.
Man, nah.
I know, I saw your videos. I don't want to eat this shit.
And make sure y'all put
Let
a
me go
drop
ahead
on
and
there.
take this out. I've seen your videos.
Enough. That's too much.
Man, get a little bit
That's
more.
enough, that's
Nah,
enough.
you gotta be righteous for your fans, man.
That was so disgusting.
Y'all see
I
that?
don't want that much.
You gotta taste this shit. Give me a slice.
Y'all hear me?
Yeah,
I don't
right
need
here.
hot stuff.
I've been looking for it.
Give me a
I don't
slice.
need them.
Give me why Sharita calling her? Give me a slice. This your
Wait.
this
I
your
got,
slice?
hold on, I gotta get my garlic sauce.
I ain't don't make no difference.
Yes, it do. I had to get it.
That's
That's enough.
yeah.
What else slice it? Yeah, that one for me.
Put a little bit.
Yeah, well.
Nah, you need to get enough. Everybody got enough, P.
Mine's dripping.
I got you.
Show your slice. You trying to cover it up?
Mine.
I know how to eat hot shit, so I don't know.
I already need to touch my tongue. It's over with.
Man, come on, bro.
L,
You
1, 2,
bullshitting.
3, go. Go.
Gotcha, bitch.
It's so hot. It's on my finger. It's so hot.
mouth, then eat it.
Nah, man. Who done drove my Kool-Aid?
You're probably crickets. Hey, let's do what's an outro. Is that what's
I'm Cricket.
My damn lip.
I'm
Nisha.
And Deshaun.
YPB.
Follow his YouTube. No, follow our YouTube. What page is this going on?
I can do
Follow
that.
our YouTube, Elanisha, and thank you. Follow,
drink
subscribe, like
Yo, milk.
everything.
I'ma always be the same, I'ma always be the same. I can never change, I can never change. We about to run up some money and fuck up some comments and run up some money. Yeah. We about to run up some money and fuck up some comments and run up some money. Yeah. We about to run this money and fuck up some comments and run up some money. Yeah. I never wonder what the bank